Okay, the guy at Amazon told me because they were sending out replacements that they would open them up and inspect them. This is the exact same thing that was wrong with the other one. The little fingers aren't properly positioned, so the pleats are messed up, and they're in the process of already ripping off. You try and reposition them, they do rip off. There's what it's supposed to be. I just really doubt that these are genuine 3M product. Here you can see some that they're who has time for this nonsense? Look at this. Here, I mean, I go to reposition that, it's gonna rip off. And again, the guy at Amazon told me because this was a replacement being sent out that they would inspect it. These are so overbent that it's pushing out the other side. This is ridiculous. $10 more than if I'd gone to Home Depot, ordered them so I wouldn't have to deal with the hassle, and I end up getting crap twice.